Welcome to the new DNA testing of microbes in the soil for palms. This new DNA soil testing enables us to view in an interactive screen live microbes, including beneficial fungi and beneficial bacteria that your soil needs to thrive and survive. It's the ecosystem that builds your soil's reputation and symbiosis with nutrient management, resistance to stresses, and root enhancement when transplanting. This deep dives into an interactive view of millions of possible microbe combinations, good and bad, so that we can prepare ourselves to enhance the soil or increase certain microbes to enable us to be resistant to stress, sometimes pathogens, sometimes bad fungi and bad bacteria compared to the good ones. Traditional testing only allowed for a sample to be sent into a lab. They would send you back a piece of paper and basically tell you yes or no, they confirm a specific disease or pathogen you're looking for, or a very bare minimum nutrient analysis. This new DNA soil testing allows us to not only see what is present in the soil, but also the potential of how these work to absorb nutrients, enhance root stimulation, root hormones, or to help fight potential pathogens in the soil. This, compared to traditional testing, is groundbreaking material. It is the newest form of AI-enhanced testing. You will see not only can we observe the Petri dish, but we can search by specific fungi, protist, yeast, archaea, or other means to really break down what is going on in your soil ecosystem. How will your soil handle stress from drought? Is it capable of surviving a major stress? We can see every part of your soil system and break it down and then further analyze it with future tests to see, is your bacteria working? Has the applications of your mycorrhizal or other beneficial fungi performing in the soil and enhancing your soil? Learn now for the first time ever what you can accomplish and what works and what doesn't work, especially products that you're applying. Build your soil today using DNA testing like we've never been able to before. Try our new DNA testing today.